In addition to the Salton Sea, another very interesting geographical feature of Southern California is the San Andreas Fault. That is because it marks the meeting point of two enormous pieces of the Earth's crust, known as tectonic plates. As can be seen here, the San Andreas Fault just looks like a huge crack in the ground. But it is an important landmark because the land to the west of the fault belongs to the Pacific Plate that forms most of the seafloor of the Pacific Ocean, while the land to the east of the San Andreas Fault belongs to the North American Plate that makes up most of the continent of North America. The tectonic plates of the Earth's crust move very slowly over a softer layer of rock 45 to 90 miles beneath the surface, which is why the city of Los Angeles, which lies to the west of the San Andreas Fault, is creeping northward at the rate of more than 2 inches a year compared to the land on the eastern side of the fault. As the edges of the tectonic plates slide against one another, tremendous pressure builds up. An earthquake, a dangerous event in which the ground shakes violently, releases that pressure. That is what happened back in 1906 in the city of San Francisco, which lies right on the San Andreas Fault. During the San Francisco earthquake, the ground was actually ripped wide open, and most of that great city was destroyed. Since then, several powerful earthquakes have rocked California, but so far, none has been quite as destructive as the earthquake that struck San Francisco back in 1906.